Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Safe Search will not turn off. So this is the best method. You just open up your browser, come at the top right, click on these three dots. Then I want you to scroll down and then click on settings. Now under settings, I want you to scroll down until you see privacy and security. Click on that and then scroll down till you see use secure DNS. Make sure this one is set to use your current service provider and make sure this one is toggled on. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and access the settings on your phone, okay? And then you can come here to hotspot and connections, scroll down, you'll see private DNS. Make sure this one is set to off or at least automatic, okay? And save it. Now, go ahead and clear your cache of your phone. Just clear everything, right? Click on this, and then you can just go back to your browser. And if I come here, click on my profile icon at the top right, and let's come here, Safe Search. As you can see, the options are here, and we can go ahead and turn off Safe Search. It's now off. Ooh, that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.